Once you log into your Student Weebly account using the username and password that I've given you, we can then go ahead and start to build our website. Now, if we take a look on the left-hand side, these are all the elements that you can use to build your website. We're just going to use a few of them, but it's right with this Build tab up here at the top. To the right of that, we have Design, which allows you to change any colors, say your fonts that you may want to change. You can actually change fonts just by clicking on Change Fonts. We can go back to Design Options, and we can choose Change Theme. Now, pretty much anything is customizable. You just have to play around with it. It's a very, very simple program. Basically, everything is a drag and drop. So as you're scrolling through here, you're going to see that you can choose any of these layouts that you wish, but you should know that any images that are here, such as this Eiffel Tower, you would need to replace with an image of your own. So all the images you see must be images that you have created or taken on your own. They don't have to be part of your portfolio, but they can be photographs you've taken outside of class time, photographs that you really like and you want to include. But ultimately, these are just placeholders. You will be replacing them with your own photographs. So I'm just going to choose this one for now and keep this as is. So from here, I'm going to change my site, and you're going to want to do the same thing. I'm just going to title it Hayes Digital Portfolio 1314. So yours would be your name, Digital Portfolio 1314. I'm then going to go ahead and take some text right here, and I'm going to drag it right to drag elements here. This is where you're going to tell me all about yourself. So I'm going to put about me goes here, and ultimately you will be filling this out, but this is just a placeholder for now. And you can pretty much delete anything that you want and add any images that you want. So if I'm going to add an image here, I might take maybe one from my folder over here and drag it in. And it's uploading. And it'll pop itself right into here. Click OK and save, and it will save. Okay, and then you can type down here once you're ready. So let's go up to Pages to add the pages that you need. Now yours will not have about, so I'm just going to delete these really quick. And it's just as simple as hitting delete. So we're going to add a page, a standard page, and we're going to title it Midterm Portfolio. We're then going to add another page and title it Final Portfolio. So from here, we're ready to go. I'm going to click on Midterm Portfolio, and I'm going to go to Save and Edit. And I'm just going to do any editing that I need to do. Notice you get a placeholder for a box here, so you can change your image, just like I showed you a couple seconds ago. So what I want you to do is take your text and drag it down here. Here is where you're going to put your midterm artist statement. So for now, type midterm artist statement goes here, and you will type that in later. I'll give you further directions for that. You're then going to take a gallery, and you're going to drag it down below. Okay, so from here, all you're going to do is start to input all of the photographs that you have put together in your portfolio that you should have already completed. So I'm just going to choose a couple images so you can see how this works. I think we'll just use these for now. And I am simply going to click on Upload Images. You're going to get this box right here. And you can drag and drop. Or you can choose to hit that Upload button, the green button, and upload them from a file if that's the way you would like to do it. But you can do them all at once. They must be JPEGs, PNGs, GIFs, or TIFFs in order for this to work. You can click on the picture. You can change from columns to 2. You can do 4. You can do 5. It's up to you. This little button right here will add a caption. If you click on it, it'll allow you to type in a caption. You can change the spacing and a couple other things. If you want to add more images, all you have to do is click Add More Images. So that's pretty much it. It's pretty simple. And you can then go up to Final Portfolio just to make sure that you're all set. You can add some text, and then add final artist statement goes here. So you know for later on we're all set. And then we're just going to take a gallery and throw that underneath as well. So now all of these images up here will have to be replaced with an image of your own. So you could do that now, or you could do it later on. Ultimately, you will be submitting this for your midterm, part of your midterm grade. So make sure that all of this is put together. The last thing that you are going to need to do is choose the Publish button up at the top. And you can use a subdomain, and you can type in your last name, portfolio, if you wanted to, or add a couple numbers. It tells me it's available, so I'm going to hit continue. You then can categorize it as anything. I'm just going to choose portfolio, hit continue, and then it will send me a link in order for me to be able to see it. It's going to give you a link as well, and if you click on it, you can see what your website will look like. You can click on all the tabs, and click on the picture. Notice it's going to give you a little bit of a slideshow, or they call it Lightroom, that will show you all of your work. So that pretty much is it. Make sure you save your username and password, and I always have it just in case, but you can always save it. I'm just going to hit my three little buttons over here and choose Exit Editor, and that is your Weebly portfolio.